Hello people! Welcome back to our channel! It's HOUR channel! So again, it's me, your girl, Mela or Momonski, back with another video. So this is going to be our third Halloween special na mag-makeover tayo. And we'll be doing you guess, pink hair with a crown, nasa adventure time. Yes, you've got that right. We'll be doing Princess Bubblegum. Princess Bubblegum, just the makeup. Pero wala kasi tayong available na crown and the costume. So, we'll just do it with the hair and the makeup. Okay? So, I've been searching around and I found out na meron nga pala tayong ganitong wig. Pink wig. So, naisip ko agad si Princess Bubblegum. And we'll be trying to do it today. And come on, let's start it. Pink yung pinaka main base ng color ng balat or main skin color ni Princess Bubblegum. So we'll be imitating that using this. So we'll be using BYS Face Palette Dust. And ang gagamitin natin pang base ay ito, blush. This blush. So we'll be using this brush. And by the way, as you may notice, katulad ng mga previous videos natin, nilagyan ko na ng primer, ng concealer, ng foundation, ang ating face para direct na tayo sa pagme-makeup. We'll be needing a blank canvas kasi. So, ganon. Every time na mag-start kayo mag-makeup, kailangan fresh and clean yung mukha nyo. And you have to put primer, foundation, concealer, and all the first stuff that you gotta do before putting those stuff on your face. So, disclaimer lang, all the products that will be included in this video ay hindi sponsored. So this is the before and this is the after. So we'll be covering everything sa face at saka hanggang dito sa neck natin ng pink color. So it's also better if you have palette na may darker shade, lighter shade at saka light shade ng pink, para mas ma-achieve natin yung ibang features or ibang, yung mga highlights and shadows sa mukha ni Princess Bubblegum. If you're not comfortable with using this brush na sinabi ko, you can always choose kung ano yung mas magiging okay sa inyo. Mas comfortable kayong gamitin. Kasi ako, personally, I don't use na mga brushes according to their specific usage. Ewan ko, am I that stubborn? Pero actually, depende naman talaga yung kung saan kayo mas komportable. So, yun yung gamitin nyo. Kasi, at the end of the day, you're the one using it. Diba? So, huwag nyo na pahirapan sarili nyo. brows. So we'll be using the Beauty Glaze Color Fusion High Pigmentation Easy to Blend palette. And ito ang gagamitin nating pink. Another tip, if you want na medyo mag-stick siya sa eyebrows nyo, you can always use this fine mist. Spray nyo lang sa inyong palette. And then, use it. Para mas lumabas yung boldness and fierceness ng ating kilay, we'll be adding concealer dito sa ilalim using this Sassy Lady Full Coverage Concealer, and again using this brush. Some contours, and we'll be using this brush and this shade, this one. Forgot. So for our cheeks, we'll be using this brush and same color lang sa contour. For our eyeshadow, we'll be using this brush and we'll be using lighter pink shade, this one. I think it would be better if you mix this pink to this orange. Mas mapop out yung kulay nung pink. For the darker shade, we'll be using this pink again with this orange. So, para mas mag-pop out yung ganito nating part ng mata, we'll be using this nude BYS eyeshadow palette nude. With this, we'll be using these shades. This one and this one. This. Using this brush. darkest part ng eyelids natin, we'll be using the darkest color of your pink plus a little bit of this red. Naguguluhan ako at nabiwirdohan dito sa kilay ko. So, we'll be using this brown styling cream together with this brush. And we can now add our eyeliner. Of course, using Sassy Ladies eyeliner. Para merong dito glow dito sa loob ng ating sa ilalim ng ating mata, we'll be using of course concealer and this brush. And then of course put our falsies and then blush. So for our under pilek, we'll be using Sassy Ladies eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, something lines lang. We'll do the blush. Dito lang natin lalagyan sa part na to. And again, we'll use this brush using the same colors. Mix and match lang. Hanggang sa ma-reach nyo yung level na to reach the peachy cheek na gusto nating ma-achieve, we'll be using this BLK product, BLK Feeling Peachy.
Oras mo papakaya.
You can add freckles using Sassy Ladies eyeliner once again, and let it sit, let it dry, and mamaya papatungan natin ng another pink layer dito sa ibabaw para hindi siya magmukhang fake. And then let's move on to our lips. So we'll be using Hudair lip liner with this shade. For our lipstick, we'll be using these colors by Sassy Lady. So first, ito muna ng darker shade para may ombre effect sa loob. We'll then use the lighter sa loob. Na yung ating fake freckles. So, with the highlighter, we'll be using this one by Sassy Lady Liquid Glow Highlighter, Lightweight Radiance Glittering with this brush. On our cheeks highlighter, we'll be using Hide and Seek by J Cat Beauty. So, itong dalawa lang. Since wala tayong gold crown, we'll just use this earrings. Don't you dare forget on spraying some mist. If you like this video, don't you dare forget on clicking that like button, that subscribe and notification bell para lagi kayong notified sa ating mga new uploads. Again, it's me, Mela Lemonie of our channel, signing off.